Hello, Scholé families and potential families. My name is Tisha Frost, and I'll be offering a new literary life workshop for the Aquinas House of Studies for the upcoming school year. The hope of this course is that students would be able to participate in a book club type course, but with a little bit more accountability than a book club. And so they would meet once a month. For the fall semester, we would read 3 books. For the spring semester, we would read 3 books, and students can choose either just the fall or the spring, or they could take the whole year and read 6 books. I realize that a lot of students do have heavy loads with lots of different classes, and I wanted to give them a chance to still enjoy reading literature and talking about literature with other students in the Aquinas House, even if they can't fit in a literature course for this semester or for this year. So the idea is that we would come together, have a discussion, and then do literary exercises. Students will learn how to keep a literary notebook and learn how to do things like character sketches, setting sketches, copy work in their own way. There's multiple ways to do copy work, and different students find different types more enjoyable than others. And that's just the start of a list. But the hope is that they would learn some of these exercises for themselves to enjoy the novel even more. So when you look over the book list, you'll see it's kind of a combination of Catholic authors, some faith themes, and just enjoyable children's literature. I was inspired by this book, Before Austen Comes, Aesop. I read it this summer, and it was wonderful. I really recommend this for parents. So the whole argument she makes is great books are the foundation of classical education. But to get to great books, we have to lay the foundation of reading good books and really enjoying the books and enjoying children's literature. So she has lots of recommendations. She goes through all these book lists, and I was inspired because I thought, yes, we need to be reading good children's literature at any age. So we'll try it and see how it goes. It is on Saturday morning. We'll see how that goes as well. But I'm just praying that it can be an opportunity for students to just love reading books and share that love with other students. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and I will be happy to get back to you. Thanks.